sleeplessly embracing butterflies and needles line my seamed up joint, encased in case I need it. In my stomach, on my heart, chainmail.
Okay, day 4. How are we feeling?
We're feeling it.
Feeling it. How's the knees?
Knees are getting better.
Getting better.
We're coming back around, all right? We only need 2 ibuprofen this morning to get moving.
ACLs are repairing themselves.
Exactly. Vitamin I does that for you.
That's it.
We're feeling better. We're coming back around. Should be the last dry day.
Ryder, what you doing over there?
It's the last fun day for me. We got Ryder. He's all lubed up. What does he got to say?
What do we got?
Lubed up, feeling
Day 4.
great. Day 4. A little tired, but we're good.
You think it's weird that do you think they think it's weird that I have to look up at all these like for the videos?
It's all right. When we look at the timesheet, we look up at you.
Cole, what about you? What do you got?
We're good.
Good? Great morning?
Great morning.
Good. Lane, anything to say to the vlog?
No.
Man of many words over here. So red. Not a thing. Okay. We'll catch back with you. What do you think he's thinking?
Remember that one day on the YZ250?
That's beautiful content.
You pulling up the driveway.
It'll get a show.
This guy. Lubing his ass crack in front of everyone. I still got a lube in. I just don't have to tell you.
It's gonna be cut on the block.
2 hours. Day four done. Pretty solid day. Had some super fast tests, felt really good. Lost a little intensity at the end, ended up tipping over in a test, lost some time, but I think we still ended up 14th on the day. It's cool, they're actually getting us some cool transfers, so got to ride some pretty wicked, slick, nasty stuff, and then got to ride with some other American dudes for the day, so yeah, it was good. we got one more day and things are changing quick. We've got rain coming and it looks like we got 3 inches of rain overnight. So it could be nasty tomorrow. So it's already
6 days of that much rain?
I mean, Spain was wet, but it was just constantly raining the whole time. So we don't really know how much we got. Like this could be a torrential downpour at times tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be.
Like what could happen?
I mean, I could see tests getting canceled and sections in the transfer being cut out just because once it's wet, it's gonna be nearly impossible. There were some of these rocks that were so slick in the dry. So yeah, it's gonna be a big day tomorrow. Save the toughest for last, right? Like that's it. We had a pretty mellow first 2 days. The last 2 days have been a little tougher, and then tomorrow I think it's gonna be a real deal. You can lose a lot of time or gain a lot of time. So yeah, just got to get to the end of it. The team's doing good. We're all just putting down consistent times. Everybody's pretty fast, and no one's making big mistakes. That's the big thing. We got to get to the end of this thing and be ready for Moto Day. So yeah, it's good. Hyped.
You just look at me. So day 4.
Solid, kind of had
It's a good test. It looked like.
Yeah, I had a couple good tests. It was kind of an off day for me. I crashed in test 6, I think it was.
Yeah.
And then
Same with Anson. Oh no, Anson crashed at 7.
yeah, I crashed in test 6. Struggled a little bit today, but still solid, consistent day, and can't complain. One more day of enduro and then the moto day, so excited.
What tests are you liking the most right now?
Definitely the gravel tests. Those are my best tests. They suit my style the most.
How many of those do we have tomorrow?
We just have one tomorrow. I mean, I'm still loving the grass track stuff, but it's just it's something different for me, so I'm not as good in it as the gravel tests and stuff like that.
You feel at home probably in the gravel.
Yes, for sure. Whooped out, rocky, sandy, my kind of stuff.
Team's doing good. What do you think about the rain coming down?
I'm good. It's going to be an interesting day for sure tomorrow, but I guess we'll see.